Hi, my name is Chuck Rudolph. I am part of the research and development team at MRM. I currently am a registered dietitian. I hold a master's degree in nutrition education and biochem. Today we're going to be talking about all of the proteins that MRM offers, and we're going to go through the progression. We're going to go through the benefits of the three that we have, meaning the type of proteins, the whey proteins versus an egg protein, and our new innovative veggie protein as well. So what we're going to start with first is we're going to take a look at MRM's natural whey protein. It comes in three different flavors. We have actually a couple. We have all natural flavoring with no flavors to it, just a little bit of sweetener. We have vanilla, we have chocolate, and we have strawberry. The benefits of whey protein have been documented for several years. We're going all the way probably back to the 60s and 70s, where the benefits of the amino acid profile of whey protein is extremely beneficial, not to just the average individual, but especially to athletes as well. The type of process that our whey protein is, it's a micro filter. It's a cross-flow, low-temperature filtered protein powder. It is hormone-free. It is BSE-free. We use all natural flavors. We use all natural sweeteners, and we have a great taste. The R&D department here at MRM is very proud and very happy of how well we are able to flavor various protein powders. The cool thing about our whey protein is that not only is the flavoring, but the mouthfeel, the texture. It's very low in fat, it's very low in lactose, and we also add a digestive enzyme to the whey protein to help with digestion of the proteins and the amino acids so that we get maximum bioavailability. Great absorption of our proteins as well. This whey protein, all of our natural wheys, we add a gram of glutamine to help with digestion, help with the intestinal tract, help with immune function. The other benefit between whey protein and what it helps out is, like I mentioned, it does help out with the immune system. So we know that there are different fractions within whey protein that support immune health. So not only do we get the benefit of recovering of muscle tissue, the building of muscle tissue for lean body mass, we also get the benefit of digestion. We also get the benefit of supporting our immune health. The other unique thing about MRM's whey protein is we started whey protein, when I first started, probably back in 1997, 98, and we started with maybe a little bit of fructose to make sure everything tasted well. Then there was sucralose, the artificial sweeteners would help with flavoring, various things that we did in order to try to make the protein taste good. Now, with all the innovative technologies out there and the education that the R&D team has received over the years, we now are able to present our all-natural whey. So everything's 100% natural from the ground up. There's no artificial colors, no artificial sweeteners. The whey protein itself is bovine spongiform encephalopathy free, so the BSE free. It's also hormone free, so we're getting very high quality whey protein. Back in the day, as far as I was saying, as long as this has come down the line and the innovation that we've done to our whey protein, we now have that all free. So we have very, very clean, very high biological value fractions of whey protein. The proteins are very safe, they're very protected, so that we're getting the most benefit out of our whey protein. MRM's egg white protein, another unique individual protein source. We use strict egg albumin protein, so there's no fats involved at all. There's no cholesterol involved at all. There's no lactose involved. Again, with all the innovation and the technology that MRM's R&D departments come across, it's 100% natural. We use no artificial sweeteners. Everything is hormone-free. We're looking at making sure that there's no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors. So the product is extremely clean. The benefits of egg white is that you're looking at a very high biological value of protein. So you get all the essential amino acids, you get all the branch chain amino acids that you get with whey, but these things, the amino acids that are in egg albumin are extremely absorbable by the body. So it's very, very efficient. It's great for protein, great protein source for athletes. It's a great protein source for exercise enthusiasts, as well as individuals that just need to get a good source of protein. The other benefit of egg protein is some individuals that are lacto-ovo vegetarian, they can use this protein to get a good protein source since they're not consuming any type of meat products. Last but not least, we're going to look at MRM's newest protein on the market. This is our Veggie Elite protein. The unique benefits between Veggie Elite protein versus a whey or versus an egg is that the Veggie Elite is 100% vegetarian. It's vegan. It's also non-GMO. It is gluten-free. So the benefit about this is the research that the R&D department did is we looked at whey protein, we looked at their amino acid profile. So our thought was, how do we get a vegetarian, a vegan source of protein to be equivalent to whey protein? So what we did is we looked at the true digestibility score of whey versus the two proteins that are in our VEG Elite, which is pea and rice. And we were able to modify the pea, modify the rice protein powders, so that now we're able to have a true equal digestibility score equivalent to whey protein. And the benefit behind this is that we were able to take our protein, put it into a clinical study against whey protein, and we saw great results regarding its digestibility, its amino acid profile in the system, as well as its absorption and bioavailability of the essential amino acids. The other benefit of having our VEG Elite protein is that it's great tasting. Again, our R&D department's done a lot of research. We have really good people in our flavoring. We work very well together to make sure that the flavoring and the taste profile people will enjoy. And the benefit about this as well is not only being digestibility corrected, we are now able to say this is a perfect alternative to any type of animal protein, whether it's a whey, whether it's an egg protein, whether it's a caseinate protein. This here is 100% vegan, 100% natural, and a great source of protein for those individuals, for performing athletes, average individual, for kids. Very, very beneficial amino acid profile uptake, digestibility, and bioavailability of the amino acid profile. MRM's VEG Elite comes in currently right now 2 flavors. We have a chocolate mocha and we have a vanilla bean. I'm very excited. The R&D department's very excited. We're also coming out with a cinnamon bun. I believe a peach mango flavor, or peaches and creams coming out as well. And since the product's doing so well and we're getting phenomenal results from it, we're also looking down the line of various different flavors that we can bring out to make the VEG Elite protein basically acceptable by a wide range of individuals. Again, just want to touch on the positives behind this. We also add in a digestive enzyme blend, which helps with digesting some of the proteins that are in the VEG Elite protein. Very good quality. The processing is very, very limited, so we know that we're not denaturing any of the proteins, and the bioavailability is equivalent to whey protein. So again, one of the benefits of this VEG Elite is that it is equivalent and that it is very beneficial to athletes, to children, to the stay-at-home mom, to the exercise enthusiast. In summary, MRM's all-natural whey protein uses a high biological value whey protein powder that is microfiltered, cross-flowed, filtered, as well as we use a low-temperature process, so it's a very clean protein. We use no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, and we know that the whey protein, along with the 1 gram of glutamine that we use in every serving, supports healthy muscle tissue. It also supports immune health and has a great flavor and great taste. MRM's egg protein is an all-natural source of egg albumin. Again, the process utilizes a very unique technique to make sure that we extract out the highest biological value of amino acids and protein. It is a source of protein that is safe for vegetarians. There is no animal products involved at all. It's basically the egg albumin. There's no fat. There's no cholesterol. We use all natural sweeteners, all natural flavors, and another great source of protein, either from your athlete to the children to the exercise enthusiast, as well as just individuals that need to get higher protein intake. In summary, for the VEG Elite protein powder, again, this is one of our newest innovative products. We've taken pea and rice protein, pretty much manipulated and kind of designed the protein to match whey protein. We do have a clinical study proving that our VEG Elite protein has great absorption in comparison to whey. So this one is the perfect alternative to whey, especially for our vegan athletes, our vegetarian individuals, and any individuals that want to get a good source of complete protein in their daily diet. It's non-GMO, it is gluten-free, all natural sweeteners, all natural flavors, and another just a great vegetarian, vegan source of protein.